Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In the last session, we discussed addition and subtraction of decimals. So today we see the multiplication of decimals. So first step is multiplication by a whole number. Okay. Suppose decimal number is given. This is 45.27 multiplied by 6. 6 is a whole number. So first we have to arrange the number 45.72 multiplied by 6. Now first step you have to ignore the decimal point. ओके एंड डू दी मल्टीप्लीकेशन, सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन. आपको यहाँ पे यू हैव टू इग्नोर दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट. तो 4527 जैसे आप मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हो ऐसा ही करना है. ओके 6 7 जा 42. ओके 4 कैरी और 6 2 जा 12. 12 + 4 16. अगेन 1 कैरी और 6 5 जा 30. 30 + 1 31. 3 carry over and 6 4 जा 24. 24 + 3 27. Now here you have to put the decimal point after 2 digits. See here how many digit? 1 2. यहाँ पे 2 digit है, so you have to put the decimal point after 2 digit. Okay, see here after 2 digit you have to put the decimal point. Okay, so 1 2. So this is your answer. So right here thus 45.27 multiplied by 6, we get here 271.62. This is your answer. Okay, so again we take one more example here. See, this is example from your exercise 5.5. okay, H number. See here, this is both are this is the decimal point and this is whole number. So you have to arrange the number, multiply by 12. You have to directly multiply by 12. 12 1 are 12. 1 carry over. 12 9 are 108. 108 plus 1 109. 10 carry over. Okay, now you have to take a 1 digit or you have to directly multiply by 12. Okay, then 12 8 are 96. 96 plus 10 106. Okay, 96 plus 10 106. Again you have to put 6 and 10 carry over. Then 7. 12 7 are 84. 84 plus 10 94. So you have to write 94. After that you have to put the decimal point. Here how many digit? 1 2 3 means after 3 digit here is decimal point. So again you have to put the after 3 digit 1 2 3 you have to put the decimal point. So we get the answer 94.692. So in last step you have to write thus 7.891 multiplied by 12 is equal to 94.692. This is your answer. See here. Now multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. See, this is so simple. Okay, so you have to directly solve this question. How to solve? You have to write the simply 0 when you multiply by 10, 100 or 1000. So first you have to multiply by this number 6 point. So first you have to ignore the decimal point. So 684 ones are 684 and this one more 0 you have to add, means we get here 6840. Now you have to put the decimal point after how many number? 1 2. After 2 digit here is decimal point, so you have to put the decimal point here, means we get the answer 68.40. okay, if here is no need to write the 0 after decimal point, but you have to write the number 68.40. then see here by multiplication by 100. okay, so first you ignore the decimal point. 13,812 ones are 1. Here is 1. So you have to, when we multiply the same number, we get the same number again. So first you have to ignore the decimal point. So we get the same number again, 13,812, and how many 0? You have to put 2 0. So we get this number. Now you have to put the decimal point. 1 2 3. How many digit? 3 digit. Before 3 digit you have to put the decimal point. 1 2 3. So you have to put the decimal point here. So we get the answer 1381.200. Okay, again see here. Ignore the decimal point. 3772 ones are 3772. And how many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to put the decimal point. Before 2 digit 1, 2. 1, 2. So you have to put the decimal point here. Okay. So we get the answer 37,720.00. This is your answer. Now we take one more example from your exercise. See, this is B number. 23.72 multiplied by 10. So you have to directly write the number. First ignore the decimal point. Multiply these two numbers. 2372 ones are 2372. And how many 0? 1 0. So you have to add 1 0. Now you have to put the decimal point before 2 digits. So before 2 numbers you have to put the decimal point. See here, 1 is 1 2. So you have to put the decimal point here. Okay. Then suppose we take the example C number. Okay. 731.1 multiplied by 100. Now how to write the number? 7,311 ones are 3,703,011. And how many 0 you have to add? 2 0. So you have to put the 2 0. Then you have to put the decimal point. 1. Before 1 digit you have to put the decimal point. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका decimal point. Before 1 digit. तो यहाँ पे 1 0 है तो 0 के पहले क्या आएगा? Decimal point. So you have to write your answer. Thus 731.1 multiplied by 100. We get the answer 73,110.0. This is your answer. Okay. In this way you have to do the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. This is so simple. Then next step is, see, next is multiplication of two decimal. Now both are decimal number. How to solve this? Again you have to write the arrange the number, which is the greater number here. This is 312 is greater, 3.12 is a greater number. So we write this first, multiply by 2.8. Okay. Now first step you have to ignore this decimal point. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है? You have to ignore the decimal point. So simply you have to write 312 multiply by 28. Now solve this. 8 2 is 16. 1 carry your 8 1 is 8 plus 1 9. 8 3 is 24. Now next number is 2. So you have to put one more 0. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6. Now add these two numbers. 6. 9 plus 4 13. 1 carry your 4 plus 3 7 and 6 plus 2 8. So here we get the number 8,336. Now you have to count total this after digit. You have to count the digit after decimal point. Here is 1 digit. Okay, this is 1 2 3 means total digit कितने हो गए after decimal point? 1 2 3. Total 3 digits. So you have to put the decimal point before 3 digits. So thus you have to write 2.8 multiply by 3.12. We get here 8. How कहाँ पे आएगा decimal point? 1 2 3. Total 8.736. This is your answer. See here, this is one number after decimal point. Here 2 digit after decimal point. 1 2 3. So total 3 digit. So before 3 digit you have to put the decimal point. We see one more example here. Now see, this is question from exercise 5.4 V number. Okay. See here. Again you have to ignore the decimal point and multiply the number. This is greater number. 13 is greater than 5. So you have to write the first number 527. Now you have to multiply the number. 5 7 3 are 21. 7 2 are 14. 15 16. 2 carry over. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 2 23. Again 2 carry over. 7 1 are 7 plus 1 are 9. Now next number is 2. Now multiply by 2. You have to put 1 0. 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6 and 2 1 are 2. Now next number is 5. So you have to put 2 0, 100 place. Okay. 5 3 are 15, 1 carrier. 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carrier. 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. 1 carrier. 5 1 are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now add this to all the number. 1, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carrier. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 16, 1 carrier. 6 plus 3, 9 and 6. So here we get the number 696921. So here total digits you have to count after decimal point. 13.23 multiplied by 5.27 is equal to 6. Total digit you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. After decimal point there are total 4 digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 4 digit you have to put the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, you have to put the decimal point 69.6921. This is your answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve the question number 1 from exercise 5.5. Here is also in your exercise question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here are Mr. Patel can run 3.37 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour how much kilometer? 3.37. So how many kilometer can run in 12 hours? So here you have to multiply by these two number. In 1 minute this much distance. So in 12 hours how much distance? Okay. So 1 hour, sorry, not 1 minute, 1 hour this much distance 3.37. So 12 hour you have to find by multiplying these two number. Again Pinky can fill 7.82 liters of water in 1 minute. In 1 minute how liter? 7.82. So how much water can she fill in 15 minutes? So again you have to multiply these two number. Okay, this is multiplication of decimal and whole number. A car can cover a distance of 68.52 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 15.5 hour? Okay, 1 hour 1 minute is given, then you have to multiply the number. The price of 1 kg of rice is this much. 1 kg rice cost is, you have to write the cost of 1 kg rice is 50.75 rupees. Then cost of 2.5 kg of rice is equal to, again you have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so in this way you have to complete, try to solve this all the question from exercise 5.5. Okay, this is your today's homework. Thank you.